In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best 23andMe discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. Go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for 23andMe discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 30% discount right here. All you have to do is just select this button where it says show coupon code. And this is a promo code right here that you can copy, and you can use this one on your next order so that you can get a 30% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website right here which is called Simply Codes. And here we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 10% discount of your order. You can simply tap right here on this button where it says view code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can use this promo code so that you can get a 10% discount of your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.